Hey, it's JavaFX Student here, and today I'm going to showcase the next version, or the newest version, of my auto battle game. So at the moment, I am at a point where I have a battle. I can start the battle. At the end of each battle, I have an upgrade, which is something like a health upgrade, a damage upgrade, a crit hit chance upgrade, a crit hit damage upgrade, or some gold, or full heal, more or less. And I am at a point where I have added, I had these upgrades previously as well, but now I have some damage numbers. So every time I hit an enemy, I will get a damage number randomly generated around this hit area. And if we at some point might get a crit, right now I have 3% crit chance, you will see that the crit damage showcase is gonna be about double size. Oh, I might actually die right here. Well, I didn't pay too much attention and I died. So we'll just restart. Play again. Let's get some damage. Keep fighting. Get some more damage. Let's try being a bit more careful with my health this time. Crit chance should be fine. See if we can get a crit. So now we're actually at 13. It might happen at some point. As you see right there, we actually had a crit. Let's go a heal, fighting the boss. Win all a crit. And as you might notice, we're dealing to 40 damage and we're critting at 50% right now. Then at the boss, I have these boss upgrades, which are some definitely more powerful upgrades. Right now, they're pretty simple. But for example, I have get plus 10 damage at the end of every round, or get plus 25 max health at the end of every round. So it's kind of like growing bonuses right now. So for example, I would get plus 10 health, no, plus 10 damage. Right now my damage is 240. So I'll fight the next enemy. I will say crit hit damage 5%, and my damage will be 250. And I fight again. Let's get some health. And 260, I might heal. And this is the base loop of the game, and I've just been refining it the last few days. Adding the damage numbers. Kind of gives quite a bit of more impact of the hit. I had these boss upgrades. Let's see if we can beat another one. Which are kind of scaling compared to like the buffs. It doesn't really scale at all, but because my boss upgrade scale, it allows me to actually climb quite a bit higher in the levels. And we would need to heal. And that's more or less the game. So where I am going for now, I've been thinking quite a bit what to do with this project. And I might actually try, I haven't been working too much with the game development, but I actually might port it to Android. And try to see if I can figure out how to get it working, kind of similar on a phone. And then maybe at some point, if this project keeps being interesting, I might put it up on the App Store, the Google Play Store. But we will see what the future will hold for me and this project. So if you enjoyed this showcase, please leave a like and subscribe, and I wish you all a wonderful day.